The Sonic-FX Duo Toothbrush Set offers a comprehensive cleaning experience with its impressive 40,000 strokes per minute, ensuring a thorough clean for teeth, gums, and tongue. This electric toothbrush is a standout for its long-lasting battery, capable of providing up to 60 days of use on a single charge, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles. Equipped with 14 brush heads, including 12 regular and 2 interdental, this set caters to various oral hygiene needs, ensuring optimal cleaning for every user. The Smart Auto Timer feature ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes, with alerts every 30 seconds to switch quadrants, promoting effective oral care habits. Its lightweight and portable design make it a perfect travel companion, allowing you to maintain excellent oral hygiene wherever you go, without the hassle of constant recharging. The Sonic-FX Duo is particularly user-friendly with its 3 cleaning modes, offering customized care for adults and children alike, enhancing both convenience and effectiveness.